Aria marwarite murimu wa COVID-19 marongerereka o muthenya guku bururi-ini na nikio thirikari ihingite mihaka ya kaunti imwe irita njira ya kugiria COVID-19 gutamba makiria. Kaunti ngurani ni ikoretwo igithondeka ceceni cia kuiga arwaru keheri niguo matangikirwo na ihenya COVID-19 igikinya matura-ini maya, ona gutuika ni makoretwo magitia mbeca cia kuhurana na murimu uyu kuma kuri thirikari nene.
As of last week, 40 county governments had reported on active quarantine facilities which had a total of 6,000 beds. 807 people were in these quarantine centers and will be discharged on different dates.
Imwe cia itumi iria itumite muigana wa arwaru wa COVID-19 uthie iguru ni gukorwo riu bururi uri no hoti wa guthima andu makiria ukiringithania na hau kabere, na ona kaunti ni ikoretwo igithima andu na gikiro kinene.
They have also screened 98,000 individuals, of whom 1,986 were referred to hospital for sample testing.
Tiga COVID-19, umwe wa mathina maria mangi magomeire counties ni moraho wa mai uria umanite na mbura iria irathii na mbere na kura. Andu 805 nio mathamitio micii-ini yao ni mai, na kanjo ya magavana ni iroria unyitaniri wa thirikari nene na cia matura guteithiriria aria mahutitio.
It is regrettable that so far we have recorded a total of 237 deaths. The council wishes to convey our sincere condolences to the families of the victims.
Thogora wa muturire ni mwa mathina maria manene magomeire muingi guku bururi-ini, tondu amwe ni moritwo ni mawira na wage kuremwo ni guthii na mbere na biacara ciao kumana na watho wa kafyu na mihaka imwe kuhingwo. Uhoro mwega ni ati thogora wa mbembe nduthiite iguru, uguo mutu wahota gukorwo tari na goro ona gutuika gutiri na mbembe cia kuigana.
The average maize price have stabilized compared to the last week in most key urban markets. However, the bean supply remains low due to crop losses occasioned by the above average rainfall season. The price of green crumbs is stable and did not change in comparison to last week.
Urimi naguo ni ukorwo no horeru tondu ngige iria iragomeire kaunti itiganite ni ihorerete.
Currently, only 3 counties are affected: Turkana, Samburu and Marsabit. In these counties, locust eggs have started hatching, and the national government, in collaboration with the 3 county governments, have put in place adequate measures to control the myths.
Girivotera Inoro TV, Jitago Muriuki wa Mushoki.